Welcome guys to channel Auto Surgery. We have this E350 Super Duty. Yes, a big papa right here in the corner. I have the gentleman coming earlier this morning at channel Auto Surgery. Yes, channel Auto Surgery. Yeah, he's coming in and he wants me to check it out. When I put my scanner on that vehicle, he gave me a code P0402, which is like the RGR valve. Yes, so what happened is, so I do my diagnostic on that thing. So now it's time to replace the RGR valve right here, because he tell me the vehicle is running crazy, and I do a road test on it. And while I was doing the road test, that was crazy. That was completely crazy. I never seen that before in my life. So now, to take out the RGR valve, first of all, I remove the hose from the radiator here. We make sure I just make it whole. And second, now I'm gonna remove this 4 screw right here. Yes, I'm gonna remove it. This pipe, she's hiding right behind this pipe, because you guys not gonna see it right now until I take this one off. If I didn't take this pipe off, you guys not gonna see nothing. So now I'm gonna remove these guys right now, and you guys will see this papa staying behind it. We have 4 little screws, both right here. We have 2 in the front, and we have 2 more in the back. Yes. So this is the new one that we will be replaced. We just received it. Yeah, this is a new one, and the other one is right behind that papa right here. Guys, I have to put the camera down because I cannot hold the camera while I'm doing it, because I'm gonna remove this for the bolt right here. Okay guys, here she is. I just take it out right now. I just taking out the 4 bolts now. Just remove this guy here. Okay, put this guy over here, and then here's it. This is RGR valve right here. See? So now what we do for that hole here, we're just gonna put some rags, because we don't want nothing, any dirt drop inside of that, because if you let something drop in it, you're in trouble. You don't want that happening to you. First of all, what you do, you take a good clean wax, you put it inside here. Yes, you put it inside just to protect it. Yes, you protect that sack, see right here. Then we continue to remove those 2 screws that RGR valve has on it. Okay, so now we're just gonna remove it, those 2 screws. Then we will be take out the plug on the top of that RGR valve. We're good to go. All right. Okay, guys, this is the baby right here. I'm gonna take it out. The last one. She is right there. So now, this is the papa. We're just gonna take it off now. The big papa. RGR valve. Now you're just gonna shake it a little bit. That's been for a while. Oh yes, that's been for a while. So now we have to shake it. It's really hard. I'm just gonna use some little ply bar or little flat screwdriver, you know, just to wiggle it a little bit, just to make it more. Okay. She is. And you see, it's so hard like that to come off, so that's mean got a big subway behind it. Now, finally, she's moving. Okay. Let's see what is inside of that baby. Okay. Come on. Oh. There she is. She's coming. Okay. I have to remove this little part right here. It's holding me. I'm just going to unscrew it. 1 minute. Okay, guys. There she is right there. Look at that. My God. Look at that. Huh? Oof. My Lord. Now I understood why it's running so off like that. Look at that. Oh, Lord have mercy. I disconnected this papa right here. See, guys, all those cabin build up inside like that. Look at when it's new. Look at the difference. Just want to show you guys when it's new and when it's loose. Okay, you see how clean this is and nice. Look at how it is. Look at all those cabin build up inside of that. That's the reason why, because this vehicle is running so rough. Was it running right out of? So now, what we do? We're just gonna make sure there's a white pot, and before we install it. Yes. So. This is it. I'm gonna clean up a little bit on the top, then installing the new pot. After a nice little clean up, and we installed that baby right here. Yes, and we're just putting the screw where they belong to. the second one. Be extra careful for the second one, because drop anytime. Be extra careful. Alright. Now, get my little ratchet and tie it up. Tie it up. Tie up. Yeah. We tied it up. Not too much. Let's do the other one. Nice and neat. Little circle on this one too. Let me get the short one. Short select. All right, that's good. Just double check the other one. For the same. Then yes, perfect. Okay, so now we just gonna remove rags that we put here to protect it. Just make sure nothing inside, you know. So we fix this one back properly, normally. Then we put that sexy back on at the same place where it used to be. Yeah. Just put it in for the first thing. Then we put the second one. Those two in the back. That's the hardest one. That's this way in the back. Okay, one more, the last one. Go down in the back. Okay. Okay guys, I already put it in. Now it's time to tie that sexy right here in the top. Little snap on ratchet. If you want to do it with hands, you can do it with hands too, but I just want to be finished a little bit fast. That's why I use that ratchet. And you, at the end, you double check with hands. Wow, he's dropped. There she is. She's dropping right here. I'm lucky. Okay, now I have to do this one off camera just to hold it. Sorry guys. Okay guys, everything is on now. I put all the clips, everything. Now I'm gonna go inside to erase the code and start the sexy. I just want to show you again. This is the old box. A lot of cabin built up in it. This is crazy. Huh? Just gonna erase the code that we have. This is the code P0402. Yeah, RGR Valve. So now we're gonna erase it. Now, then we're gonna erase that sexy. Take a moment. There we go. There she is. Everything has been cleared. It's ready to start now. Let's start, baby. There we go. There we go. gonna do a road test on it and to see how she's doing. All right. Yes, guys, I just went out for a road test with the E350. After changing the RGR valve, everything went nice and smooth. No check engine pop-ups on it. I'm happy. Customer is happy. Once the customer is happy, I'm happy with it. So now, remember, share it with friends and family. Okay? If I can do it, you can do it too. Remember, Jesus loves you. It's coming soon. Get ready.